do we use today for this paint
We
collection?
used a yellow foam pad and sole.
And so, Oberk Sole.
Oberk Sole.
Yeah, it was really cool to see basically boxing out all the edge work here. Dave came behind with the rotary and kind of tied in all those corners, and then we kind of came behind and sandwiched it in and sealed the deal on this thing.
Just massage it nice.
What a cool car.
They're very cool.
1985. What did you say earlier that this could be? What's the guy? What's his name?
Don Johnson?
Don Johnson. Yes. Only if this
AKA
was
Crockett.
Crockett. Only if this was white. This would be
It
Don.
would frost white. Frost white. excuse me.
Frost white.
And you got to have tubs in the other seat.
Tubs in the other seat. Well, even though it's not wet, this is still a beautiful car.
Oh, yeah.
So, job well done, fellas.
Yes, sir.
Time to celebrate. Time to get the cars inside.
Yeah.
We're done.
We're done.
We got a little